Hey, what's up, Recording Connection? My name is Jimmy Connors. I go by J-Con as a producer, and I'm currently at Studio 713 in Houston, Texas. Before coming here, I was living in the New York City area. Was signed to, still am signed to, a record label there. You know, I was just working with artists and producing and songwriting, but one of the things that I really wanted to get into was engineering. It was something that I felt like I needed to learn how to do. I had a lot of experience with home recording, but doing it in an actual professional studio is a whole different ballgame. So I just felt like I needed to get some education and learn how to do it the right way, and that's what initially led me to Recording Connection. One of the things that really sold me on Recording Connection was that you're not in a classroom. I learned by doing, and to be able to learn and in the environment that you're actually going to be working in and train with people who are actually doing what you're trying to do, I think was pretty valuable. Another big thing was I've gotten many hours of studio time in, just recording people. I feel much more familiar with Pro Tools now than I did before I started the program, and I want to work in a recording studio, and I think this is the best way to go about doing that. So far, I've been able to meet a lot of really great people and form some great relationships, so that's something I'm very thankful for. And shout out to everyone at Studio 713. Appreciate y'all, and let's keep it going.